Thank you guys for coming here. I think it's fantastic. It's great, and a big mention to Raftar because I think he's been fabulous with this song, and I think Varun's done a fantastic job just dancing.
So has John. So has John.
Okay, because we saw the size difference on screen, I really want to know this boy, was he working like overtime in the gym just to ensure कि यार बड़े भाई की तरह थोड़ा तो मैं लगने लगूं? Just, give us a real story here.
I think it's like how I think Varun and me make a fantastic pair, and there's a lot of bromance. So I think I hope Dishum goes on to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 because honestly, guys, we really got along like crazy. Like off set, we were on set. We had a great time, and I hope you all also enjoy the film the way we've enjoyed actually shooting it.
Y'all give us a chance to repeat this partnership again and again and again.
रफ्तार ये कुछ कम रैपर नहीं है. अभी हाल ही में मोहम्मद अली रोड पे ये होकर आए थे. वो वीडियो मैंने थोड़ा सा आपका देखा वहाँ पे रैप करते हुए. ये बचपन से कीड़ा आपका रैप करने का कितने साल से था?
No, in fact, मैं और रफ्तार अभी discuss कर रहे थे that why I started liking rap music was when I started hearing Linkin Park like him, and I started hearing Eminem as a kid. So that kind of got me attracted towards it. But obviously, this guy can rap, and like he can really rap, and we've got a surprise in store for you guys.
Which is your favorite, John? Which Dishum in this song is your favorite? Like any of the lines?
I think the last one because I saw the crowd also. They like the chemistry between Varun and me, and when I hold him and I said, "मेरे भाई को सताए तो Dishum."
I saw Varun, your passion come out a lot on the Dum one and the India one as well. Which one is your favorite?
I love the अगर राम रहीम को लड़ाया तो Dishum.
And that's so relevant with Eid coming around the corner. Okay, so here's my question to you. I follow you very closely on Twitter. आप बहुत सारे issues को लेके Dishum mode में आ जाते हो. लेकिन अगर एक चीज अभी आपके अंदर बहुत एक feel है जिसको आप Dishum करना चाहते हो, you want to give us 2, 3?
Definitely, I think now with a very heavy heart I say this. In the last couple of days, there've been attacks on Istanbul. Recently, now in Dhaka. So terrorism ko a big Dishum.
Superb. And John, anything particularly that you want to say?
Yeah, I think little things like just giving a lot more respect to women.
Yeah.
And if I see men misbehaving with women, they've had it. I'll break them.
Oh, he's done that? Woo! He's done it with animals as well. I can never forget your camel story that you told me about on Juhu Beach. I still think that was such a brave thing to do when nobody cared for them. You had such a big heart.
I love animals, and I think we must all reach out to animals because they can't really speak and they need our help.
ठीक है, रफ्तार बहुत रफ्तार से बोलते हैं. तो here's a little challenge for you, रफ्तार. आपने वरुण और जॉन को प्रोमो में देखा है. You are a huge fan of the two of them. So you have to give us a dialogue from that promo, okay, in your style. You want to go for it?
इतने सालों से स्पाइडरमैन का उल्टा किस प्रैक्टिस कर रहा हूँ. कर लेना. But my best part is when he sees the line, he goes like, "Kod mein le le."
How did you hang in that scene? You look so comfortable.
Oh, I in fact had a lot of blood rushing to my head during that time, and I realized it's probably not easy for Tobey Maguire or anyone. Andrew Garfield played the receiver.
Yeah.
For any of them to play Spider-Man, because it's not easy to hang upside down. It's quite difficult. But besides that, actually, we've got a very big surprise for all of y'all. There's an actual rap before we'll perform the song for you guys. But before that, there's an actual rap in Todishum, which is out on the MP3 version, on the audio, but no one's heard it. And it's a proper rap. Like, this is what rapping is. And Raftar's going to do it for you guys. First time ever. And since you guys have braved the rain and come here, which means a lot to me and John, Raftar's going to do this especially for you. And John, you've not seen him
I'll
do this
again
as
say
well.
thank you for the opportunity. Put your hands up for John and Varun, everybody. मैं बोनस में हूँ, मेरे लिए भी थोड़ा शोर मचा दो प्लीज. So it goes like, कभी न करूं मैं काम कोई ऐसा कि जिससे झुके मेरी गर्दन, जीता हूँ चीता हूँ पापा से सीखा हूँ मुझे पे कुछ है बर्डन, जैसे हर दम घर चलाना है जैसे तैसे छोटे सपनों के लिए जोड़ू पैसे पैसे पैसे, अरे कैसे कैसे काम करे ताकि नाम बने, दुनिया देख के मुझको भाई जान राम राम करे, पर ध्यान रहे मुझको कभी न छेड़ना, देने में एक दुश्मन मुझको लगेगी देर ना.
वरुण ने तो उनको लाइन पे डाल दिया. आप इनसे कुछ करवाने वाले हैं बहुत खास, मैंने सुना है जैकलीन से जुड़ा हुआ. Since you're all missing her today over here, I believe Varun knows how to dance like Jacqueline. Is that true?
Yeah. In fact, Varun's going to dance on this song for all of you. Yeah.
Okay, wait, one
So we leave that to Varun.
नहीं Varun,
So-
And
you love
Raftar
him,
can rap while
you love
Varun's
him so
dancing.
much
But
and you-
Cover the back.
only
And
thing
John
I
Abraham
remember,
is watching.
The
John
only
Abraham is
thing-
watching Varun.
No, I
dance.
don't mind being Varun Dhawan in this.
Varun, full style.
only for you guys, honestly.
Wow. Okay, John, we love him dancing. We love what he just did. That was... Okay, here. Do we want them to sing the song first, or do you guys want to come up?
I think let Varun perform to this song. Raftar sing it, and I'll watch. And I'll watch.
Okay, we're gonna try. Okay, we're gonna do
Okay.
it for you. You need to play the song, and Raftar and me are gonna
Okay.
try and
Who is
go for
singing
it.
together?
We're gonna,
We're doing
okay,
this
I'm gonna
together.
join in as
We're doing
well
this
on the rap.
together.
Louder, louder.
मुझे याद है वो बातें मेरे बचपन की डैडी कहते थे छोटा सिक्का चलेगा नहीं वो भी प्यार से खिलाती दाल चावल और दही मगे हाथों का वो जाल फाइव स्टार में नहीं मर मर के मिली कॉलेज डिग्री मेरी जॉब एक ट्रेजेडी है जो सैलरी एक लड़की मिली थी वो भी डंप कर गई अब होने को बैठा हूँ कोई मिले तो सही बसीता रबदा मैं डिट्टो तेरे वर्गा मैं काला गलत कोई करदा दे फिर ना उसको छोड़दा किसी लड़की को छोड़ कोई तोड़ झुम चीटिंग और खेल कोई तोड़ झुम बोले इंडिया को बुरा कहा चलेगा ना मेरा खड़ा हुआ रहना थोड़ा सा पीछे नहीं तो छोड़ेंगे सब ठिकानों के नीचे रहना थोड़ा सा पीछे नहीं तो छोड़ेंगे सब ठिकानों के नीचे हाथ घूमने की जोरता के गाने तोड़ झुम
Fabulous. Okay, we've got a challenge. The 100 तरह के डिशुम अगर आप हम मिलकर इनको पूछे.
We have to get John back now.
Yeah, we're gonna get in the back, but
He's
let's get
surrounded.
some of the audience here to come up on stage and show us.
How many of you all want to hang off John Abraham?
No, I don't want to pick up anyone.
He is.
He doesn't need to
original
pick up
Johnny
anyone.
Bravo.
I'm not.
They
I'm
made
not.
that serial on him.
I'm not picking anyone. You have to pick. I don't want to be the bad guy. We are going to let her pick.
The girl in the blue. Yeah. She's ready with her phone though. I don't know. What are we doing with her?
We have to have a task, or she has to give us a task. Hi, how are you? You're naturally cool. Okay, you have to tell us what your task.
Wait,
What's your
wait.
name?
First, the task was to convince her mom to get out of the house. How did you come? As in, she said, "Jao."
My mom is right there.
Oh, that's the deal.
Where do you
अरे
stay?
मम्मा फैन है.
Where do you stay?
Where's the mom?
Oh, she's come from Powai, huh, John?
Darling, very sweet of you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
And you are going to, you want to hang off John's? So John stands like Johnny Bravo and she hangs off his arm, is it?
Hey, mama.
Varun, is that the task?
That's the task that John, you have to pick it up with one hand.
Oh, what?
She just asked, can you? She just said, can you?
I think Varun and I will both put our hands together and you can hang off both of us. Yeah. See, Varun's lifting her.
Totally lifting her all by
Totally.
myself, guys.
Bad.
John's not even picking her up.
Varun's a strong guy.
Partnership at its best. And which is the next task? Come on. You got to ask for a task. Sort.
You play the song once. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you.